Kerjasama bersama Atlas ini bertujuan untuk meningkatkan penyedaran akhbar dan memudahkan akses surat khabar kepada para pelanggan kami di Lembah Kelang. Seperti diketahui, ketiga-tiga lokasi ini adalah kawasan tumpuan utama masyarakat, dan sebagai syarikat yang inovatif, kami berusaha untuk memastikan bahawa pembaca kami akan mendapat akses kepada akhbar kami, Utusan Malaysia dan Kosmo. Saya harap pembaca akan memberi sokongan kepada inisiatif ini dan semoga industri surat perkabaran kekal relevan kepada pembaca pada masa ini. Saya juga berterima kasih kepada Atlas dan Wanda Coffee untuk bersama-sama kami dalam inisiatif yang inovatif ini.
So at Atlas Vending, we are the largest food and beverage vending operator in Malaysia and Singapore. So this collaboration, we would like to bring a refreshing new touch to the traditional way of reading newspapers in the morning, now that you can get your copies of Utusan Malaysia and Kosmo via vending machines. So the reason we chose Utusan and Kosmo because even though a lot of people have turned online for their news, however, there's still a big market for physical newspaper. And Media Mulia is actually a company, a very dynamic company, to preserving the habit and also the experience of reading physical newspapers. So we have been working very closely with them in extending the touch points and distribution points of their newspapers, and hence why this collaboration happened. So the three chosen locations, like I mentioned, are actually Bangsar RRT, Ampang Park RRT, as well as KL Central. So these three locations are the key transit hubs at Klang Valley with very high footfall. So we can reach out to more commuters on their way to work. They can stop by these automated newsstands to get hold of their newspapers. For now, we have these three locations. In the future, if this collaboration, which we call it a pilot project, if this pilot project works well, and if after we assess it, it's a successful low route pilot project, we will then roll it out to more locations in the future.